Good morning, my name is Martin Cook. Welcome to AViTA, High-Tech Systems NEB 2011. AViTA is a highly expandable system. AViTA controls its video servers over a network. AViTA can be a single control panel controlling 4 server ports, even 1 or 2 server ports. But AViTA can expand to 32 server ports and multiple panels. The AViTA system has databases accessible by multiple operators. We have sophisticated search functions. We can export XML files, import XML files, and we can build an automation system, or we can build this most straightforward of clip editing system. AViTA has 2 main components, the hardware side of AViTA and the software side of AViTA. The hardware side is an evolution from our expertise in control surfaces. High-Tech Systems provides a number of drop-in hardware modules. You can mix and match these devices as you choose. For example, you can put in the LCD key panel 2 or 3 times to build a shot box. We will have a T-bar for slow-mos. We have a transport control, which you can see here, with various functions assigned to it. And as I said before, every single function and colour of each button and the little joystick can be customized to suit the operational needs. So we have a unique cantilevered hinge. This pivots forwards and allows the operator to have a comfortable and clear way to access the touchscreen on the AViTA system. AViTA is available in a number of hardware packages, and AViTA is also available with a touchscreen to access the software applications that we provide. AViTA can also be supplied as a software-only system, but the core to the system, as I mentioned before, is flexibility, customization, and sophisticated data management, clip management. So, AViTA, it has an optional 10.4-inch touchscreen for the clip management, which we'll show you in a minute. We've designed that display to be scalable. The chassis of AViTA has a second output which can go to a large monitor. When you go beyond 4 or maybe 8 channels, it's not very convenient to use a screen such as the small touchscreen on the panel to manage those channels. So you use a larger monitor, either touchscreen or with a mouse. AViTA has a status monitor screen as an option. This is intended to be mounted in the gallery for the director or director's PA to be able to see which clip is playing out of a particular channel, which clip is next, and the status of those clips. It's an option that can be remote from AViTA. It's powered from a separate PC, accesses AViTA's database via a network. To access setups to customize the panel, and indeed to set up the whole of AViTA for different servers, different network parameters and so on, we just touch the settings tab, and that allows us to choose various setups here. I'm going to show you the hardware setup. I select the panel I want to customize. A graphic appears showing me what's currently programmed. To change one of the keys for function or appearance, I simply touch the graphic. This is shown as green, and I will just push and I will make it pink. Having selected a button, you can change the function of the button when it is pressed. There's a large drop-down list of functions. To choose one, scroll through the list, press the function that you require. The graphic changes to represent the function that you've just programmed. You can change the color if you wish. The button is programmed. AViTA is set up by accessing the system settings. There's the overall system. A number of drop-down menus appear, such as the ability to set the size of the clip display and various other parameters, which are obvious when you look at the menus. We can also set the parameters of the server connected to AViTA. We can also select servers and set IP addresses and so on of servers on the network. There are choices for clip naming rules. There's the hardware control panel, which we've already covered. And lastly, there's a built-in browser.
Thank you for watching the presentation on AViTA, the flexible control system for growth and change. High-Tech Systems has produced a truly unique product in AViTA, a new production control system providing real-time machine control solutions over your network. AViTA was designed from the ground up to support studio recording, playback, and production automation. The AViTA system consists of a collection of software and hardware tools and components for recording, searching, and playing media. AViTA exchanges data with newsroom MOS systems and media asset management systems. AViTA is available as a software component that can easily be deployed on Mac, Windows, or Linux operating systems. In addition, for wireless remote, AViTA provides the ability to be deployed on the latest handheld tablet devices. The AViTA control features include a fully integrated control panel, control for servers, VTRs, and disk recorders. There are desk mount and rack mount versions of the control panel that can accommodate up to 4 control modules. Simple plug-and-play configurable control panel modules allow the user to build controllers specific to application requirements. Network connections to devices are through the control engine via a network to serial appliance. Also supported are dual-screen displays. The AViTA hardware control panel incorporates an innovative cantilever display hinge for multi-position viewing. There is also available an external gallery status monitor. Options include network GPIs and expansion up to 32 channels. Thank you for viewing this presentation on AViTA from High-Tech Systems.